watching The Sunday Push with Mr. Eagle Vision. Tell somebody we're live.
Your best days are still ahead. Welcome in. That's my song, The Sunday Push with JR. Your best days are still ahead. Do you believe that? Come on, if you believe that your best days are still ahead, if you believe that you're still here for a reason, yes, last week may have got you down. Yes, you may have been a little drained last week. Oh my goodness, you had to work. You haven't accomplished everything that you were supposed to accomplish. You messed up and you let God down again. Well, you feel you let God down again. But look, you're still here for a reason. And can I tell you, your best days are still ahead. So keep pushing, keep believing. Don't stop now. Look, if this is your first time here, welcome in. Welcome in. Thank you so much for joining. I am JR, Mr. Eagle Vision. And look, I'm just like you. I'm just somebody who loves God, and I'm just somebody who wants to be everything God has called me to be. And so with that, I know it came a lot of tears. With that, it came a lot of heartache and disappointment. And I was able to fight and push through. And so since I'm able to fight and push through, I'm putting my hand out and saying, look, sister, look, brother, you can do it. You can push through. You can make it. So this is the segment called The Sunday Push with JR. We meet here every Sunday right here on YouTube at 7 p.m. And it's just to say, look, keep going. Keep going. Don't give up. Don't give up. You come too far. You've come too far. You have that idea that God has given you. Why haven't you moved on it? I ain't judging you, but I'm just asking, why have you not moved on it? This is the season to write the vision and carry out the vision. If you've been watching my YouTube channel, then you know I've been telling you all, look, okay, it's time for us to start showing up. God is giving you vision. He's giving you things to do, and he's giving you things to push and promote. So it's time for you. If you don't have it, it's time for you to create it. It's time for you to create it. Once you create it, then you're going to start to talk about it. Once you start to talk about it, then people are going to see you as that. So what is it that God has called you to create in this season? Or if you've already created it, that's right. If you have already created it, then it is time for you to start talking about it. You want to know what it is. You may do hair, you may cook, you may have a book, you may have a song. What is it that God has placed in your hand for you to do, for us to see? The gift is not for you. The gift is for you to give it. The gift is for you to give it. And so on this week, I don't want you to be discouraged. I actually want you to be excited. I want you to be excited that this video found you. I want you to be excited that God, first of all, gave you something to do. Can somebody in the comments say, Lord, give me something to do? Lord, what is it that you've given me to do? Lord, give me something to do. Put me to work. Put me to work for you. Put me to work for you. Help me to write this book. Help me to write this play. Help me to write this movie. Help me to open this business. Lord, put me to work for you. What is it that you've put in my hand? And Lord, as you put it in my hand, help me carry it out. Come on now, don't just put it in my hand and leave me there. Don't just put it in my hand and leave me there. Lord, I ask that you put it in my hand and show me what you want me to do. Because if you don't show me what you want me to do, we out here in nature, y'all. If you don't show me what to do, I'm not going to be able to do it. It's like one of my clients. She said, if God don't do it, it won't get done. What is it that God has put in your hand? And if you don't know, I need you to ask him, Lord, what is it that you want me to do in this season? What have you called me to do? Do you want me to write a book? Do you want me to release this recipe? What do you want me to do? So this week, and I get excited, y'all, so I'm going to slow down. This week, take a pen, go to God in prayer, listen to him, turn off the radio. They say fast, whatever you got to do. If you don't know who your audience is, if you don't know what you need to be talking about, I need you to ask him, Lord, what is it that you want me to do? And if you do know, It is time for you to implement, y'all. It's implementation time. Can somebody write that in the comments? Say it is implementation time. Lord, you've been talking to me for a long time. I haven't been doing nothing. You didn't told me to release the play. You didn't told me to release the podcast. You didn't told me to release the cooking show. You've told me to release all the things, and I have not done anything. I have not done anything. But God is so good. He won't stop pressing you. He won't get it off your heart. He won't stop until it get it done. Oh my God, isn't he so good? Isn't he so faithful? He won't stop until you fulfill what it is that he has called you to do. Whew, that's a good God. That's a good God. And then after you do it, oh my goodness, after you do it, not only do God get the glory, people are going to see what you've done, and people are going to want to connect and be a part of the vision. And the vision is going to grow. The ministry is going to grow. And you're going to be blessed, and you're going to be happy, and all is going to be well. So this week, this is the Sunday Push with JR, so it's not a long segment. But this week, y'all, this week, write the vision. If there was a song I would sing, write the vision, make it plain that they may run and not faint. For the vision is only for a while. It shall speak and not lie. I think that's how I go. But if the Lord said it, that's good right there. You can count on it. He will do just what he says. Write the vision. So you got to write the vision and you got to make it plain. Then it says, if the Lord said it. Come on, what has the Lord said about you? My God, what has the Lord said about you? Lord, we want to know what it is that you've said about us. Some of us know, some of us don't. Take us deeper. We want to know. We want to know. We want to know. We want to know, Lord. So as we close, I pray for my brother and sister who's trying to find themselves in you. Lord, I pray for those who already may know that we stay deep and we continue to grow in you. Lord, don't take your hand off of us. Continue to anoint us. Continue to show us what it is that you've called us to do in this season. Lord, let us speak boldly. Let us not be afraid of who you've called us to be. Let us stand on it. Lord, we thank you. We magnify you. We ask that you cover us, you keep us, you protect us, you give us wisdom. We thank you even now for every person that's watching this video, that they don't take it lightly, that they know this message was for them on today, that you want us to be great, that you want us to prosper, that you want us to be able to bless and touch our communities. We thank you and we stand on it. 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 Come on, somebody in the comments say, I stand on what you said about me. And I'm not going to stop until I find out what you said. And I'm going to do what you said. I'm not just going to listen. I'm going to do exactly what you said. If the Lord said it, you can count on it. He will do just what he says. This has been a Sunday Push with JR. Every Sunday at 7 p.m. Make sure that you tune in. Make sure you subscribe. Y'all don't take this lightly. Don't take this lightly. I really get up here because I want to encourage y'all. I've been in the trenches. I'm still in the trenches, but I know what God can do. All right. So make sure y'all come back every Sunday and even just watch my page. I go put videos up basically every day to encourage you. Also, I have another broadcast and I'm producing. It's called The Second Shift with Pastor BJ. She's one of my clients. She's actually somebody who put me on very long time ago when I was about 20. She had her own talk show on TV for real. And so I would go on the talk show when I was young. I was always hungry. And so now the tables have turned and I get to sow into her like she's always sowed into me. And even now she's sowing into me, y'all, and just being a blessing. And it's just amazing. So every Saturday at 11 a.m., tune in with her. if y'all have a business and you want to be promoted and you want us to run your ad on here, let me know. Or if you want us to run it on our Facebook or our YouTube pages, whatever, just let us know so that we can make that work. All the things. I'm going to continue to show up, and I just need y'all to show up, okay? I love y'all. Write the vision this week because I'm going to ask y'all next week. All right? Peace.